Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Simran. So today I'll be sharing my review on this tranexamic acid by Be Minimalist. I am using 3% tranexamic acid by Be Minimalist from last 2 months, and at the end of this video you will have a fair idea about what tranexamic acid is, who should use this, and is it really effective, and how you can layer this product, which actives to avoid while using this product, and also my personal experience with this product since I'm using this for last 2 months on my hyperpigmentation marks. So yeah, without further wasting time, let's get started. Guys, let's talk about the good thing about this product. This product has 3% tranexamic acid, and tranexamic acid is known to work on any sort of discoloration, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation. It helps with PIE, that is purple, pink, red spots or marks are left after your pimple is gone. It helps with PIH, that is the post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, that is a dark brown spots or brown spots that are generally formed due to UV rays, sun exposure, heating, insect bite, infection, or in other words you could say that your skin has undergone a bit of trauma and it has reacted by producing melanin into that area. So it works both on PIE and PIH. Also they claim that it works on melasma, but studies of tranexamic acid on melasma have not shown impressive result. But I think at this price you can really give it a try and look for yourself if it is working for you or not. Other than that, they have so many other ingredients, and if you look this product in a broader perspective, then you may realize that it is a perfect solution for someone dealing with hyperpigmentation. Like it has an AHA 3% mandelic acid, which helps in removing the dead skin cell so that the actives are able to penetrate deeply and easily into the skin. Then they have combined these different actives which are all meant to reduce the melanin production into the skin and also to brighten the skin. Then they have used a bunch of hydrating as well as soothing ingredients so that the effect of the acids and actives do not dry out the skin, plus it soothes the skin. So this is a complete package for someone dealing with pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, dark brown spots, suntan, patches, like any sort of melanin into your body, and this is a go-to product. So now coming to the texture of this product, it is yellow in color. It has some viscosity to it, so it may feel a bit heavy for people with oily skin, but it's not sticky. So you can combine this product with vitamin C, niacinamide, retinoids, and even AHA. But since this product already has an AHA, so you won't need the additional AHA into your skincare routine. Let's check its pH, and as you can see, its pH is
4 to 5.
So now let's see what changes I have observed after using this product. I'm using this on my arms from last 2 months. I have PDL on my arms, that is pigmentary demarcation lines. These are genetics, cannot be treated. But I have undergone chemical peeling, due to which my hands have reacted badly, and I have this PII, that is post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So these are the pictures that were taken before, and these are yesterday's picture, and as you can see, like in 2 months time period, this is the difference that I have observed. So I'm happy with the product and satisfied with the results. So I'm using this product from last 2 months daily during night time on my arms. Yes, I'm using this daily because I'm not using this on my face. I'm using this on my arms. And if you're using it on a face, then I would suggest that you use this as a area or a spot treatment instead of applying it on your whole face, because the thing is that to treat any sort of pigmentation you need a long consistent treatment. Like it may take even 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years to fade away that dark brown spots. So applying for, let's say, 6 months daily tranexamic acid with other active ingredients into your skin is something that I cannot imagine. So using this as a spot or area treatment, you can use it daily. Also, skin barrier got compromised when we are overdoing acids into our skincare routine. So this way even the skin barrier will be intact, but you can occasionally use it on your entire face, like twice a week, to get that full glow, exfoliation and glowy effect. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you like this video, you enjoy my channel. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Okay, bye.